Vivo unveiled a tablet and a tablet-sized phone today. The Vivo X Note is massive with its 7-inch screen, and the rounded sides can't make this a device you use with one hand. If you want to go bigger and maybe add a stylus and a QWERTY keyboard, the Vivo Pad has you covered. This juggernaut has a 7-inch Samsung E5 AMOLED display with QHD+ resolution, giving you plenty of room for multitasking. The display has an unusual aspect ratio of 21:10, 3080x1440 resolution, but Vivo argues this is superior for media consumption and multitasking. This shouldn't surprise you, but DisplayMate gave the Note an A+ score. The display promises 1500 nits peak brightness and 112% DCI-P3 coverage. Hidden behind the screen is a large ultrasonic fingerprint reader, 3D Sonic Max from Qualcomm, like the one on the iQOO 8 Pro. The FP reader is so large that it can read 2 fingerprints at the same time. In fact, it does just that if you want more security. 2 fingerprints increase the security 50,000 times compared to just 1, says Vivo. To help with the color accuracy, there is a color temperature sensor mounted on the front. Going back to multitasking, the Vivo X Note is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, no surprises here. The base configuration has 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB storage. You can get a unit with 12 GB of RAM instead, or go all out with a 12 or 512 GB version. Security is enhanced by using the secure processing unit on the Snapdragon chip, first time for the company. The chipset is cooled by a massive vapor chamber and a graphite sheet. Borrowing from iQOO's playbook once again, the GPU output can be fed through MEMC algorithm to increase the frame rate without adding extra burden on the GPU. The Note comes bearing a quad camera on the back. It features the 50-megapixel ISO cell GN1, 1.2 micrometer native pixels, 2.4 micrometer with binning. Combined with the bright f1.57 aperture, this camera will excel in low-light photography. The Zeiss logo tucked into the corner can't have escaped you. The lenses are officially branded Zeiss Vario Tessar and have anti-reflective coating. There is also a periscope on board with 125mm focal length, f3.4 aperture, that's 5x optical magnification, and up to 60x digital zoom. For mid-range zoom and portraits, there is a 12-megapixel module, IMX663, with a 47mm lens, f2.0, which works out to 2x magnification. Additionally, there is a 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with a 14mm lens, 114 degrees. All of this is backed by the custom Vivo V1 ISP, which has enough power to run face detection, even if you're taking a photo of a group of 30 people. Somewhat disappointingly, the battery that powers this behemoth is rather small. It only has 5000 mAh capacity. It's fast to charge at 80 watt over a wire and at 50 watt wirelessly, but we still expected more from a large device aimed at power users. The Note is available in 3 colors: blue, black and gray. All 3 have a leather texture with faux stitching on the back, plus a full-width camera panel similar to the Vivo X70 Pro Plus, and presumably the upcoming X80 Pro Plus. The base Vivo X Note 8, 256 GB, starts at $940. The fully loaded 512 GB model is $1,100. You can reserve a Note today. Sales start on April 15th, Friday. Also on Friday, Vivo will launch a limited edition Vivo X Note Aerospace, packed inside a gift box. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Subscribe to my channel and leave a short comment. I will be grateful to you. See you soon.